Okay, so I know a lot of you have gone through this where you looked at an empty room and you thought, I want it to look beautiful, but I don't know where to start. Well, today I'm going to use ChatGPT to turn this blank efficiency apartment into a beautiful French country design style. I'm going to include a place to sleep, a lounge area to watch TV, uh, a cook space to store everything, without the room feeling too overcrowded. Welcome to Sandra's Style Spaces. I am Sandra, an interior stylist who helps decorating beginners turn empty rooms and inspirational photos into beautiful, realistic spaces they can actually recreate. As a certified prompt design professional, I also show you how to use AI to visualize your ideas, improve on your room layouts, and to create a practical shopping plan and action plan. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned. Just jump into it. Today we are going to design an empty room, which is going to be a studio apartment, and we're going to ask ChatGPT to help us do it. So first thing we're going to do is upload an image of an empty apartment. Here. Okay, and let's speak into it. Let's see. Okay, Chad, I need you to act as a professional interior stylist who specialize in French country decor, organization, and storage. I need you to um I need you to create a complete design for this efficiency one room apartment that gives me place to sleep, to lounge and watch TV, as well as a kitchenette area. Keep the colors light, bright, and airy. Be sure to incorporate nice French country chandeliers, lamps, etc. Okay, now we're just going to check that. We have everything written, and let's watch it as it generates. Now, usually when you get your first generation, this is a once you get that generation back, this is a good time when you can give it feedback to get it exactly to what you want. Okay, so let's just wait until this generate, and we are going to pause the video and come back. Okay, so as we can see, chat has made the first image generation. So what I'm going to need to do is edit this image, and let's go ahead and talk to chat. Thank you, chat, for the first image generation. Unfortunately, the sofa is not true to size. So what I need for you to do is to resize the sofa, but this time place the sofa directly at the end of the bed along with the coffee table so that it is facing in front of the television. Okay, so we told them to make it true to size. And then once this generates, it should make everything the same. But sometimes, like I said, doing these generations with AI, you have to work with it a little bit to get it to where you want. So we are going to let that generate and speed it up a bit. Okay, guys, so what I did was actually go in and rewrite the script um, to create the room because I wanted to make sure that the furniture and everything was true to size. So I used the same introduction, um, I kept it the same way. Keep the colors light, bright, and airy. Be sure to incorporate nice French country chandelier, lamps, etc. Make sure all the furniture is true to size and place the sofa directly at the end of the bed. This is what we got. Okay. This is everything true to size. Let's download it so that we can get a closer image of it. Okay. Now I want to get a closer pic. Let's see, where is it located? Okay. Okay. Now, this is our complete image, and everything is French country. Right here we have baskets under the bed. We have a rug. And we also have an armoire with a TV. I think they did a very good job with creating a kitchenette as well as a sleeping area and somewhere to lounge to watch television. Now, in order to recreate this image, you would have to um, get, you can go and check on different websites and get the furniture, what have you. But what I do know is that this stuff can be commonly sourced either from thrift stores or Amazon or any other store online. And if you would like to see how we um, find or have ChatGPT create a full workup of where to find these products and links to these products, then meet me back in part 2 of the next video. Okay? So watch the next video on the screen.